In this part of income tax updates we will discuss Notification Number 8/2016, dated May 4, 2016 regarding procedure for submission of Form 15cc by an authorized dealer in respect of remittances under subsection 6 of Section 195 of the Income Tax Act, 1961 read with Rule 37BB of the Income Tax Rules, 1962. Form number 15cc is used for quarterly statement to be furnished by an authorized dealer in respect of foreign remittances made by him. In this notification, the Department has specified the procedure for submission of Form 15cc by an authorized dealer. Under subsection 6 of Section 195 of the Income Tax Act, person responsible for paying to a non-resident, not being a company, or to a foreign company, any sum, whether or not chargeable under the provisions of this Act, is required to furnish the information relating to payment of such sum, in such form and manner, as may be prescribed to. 2. As per Sub-Rule 7 of Rule 37BB of the Income Tax Rules, 1962, the authorized dealers are required to furnish a quarterly statement for each quarter of the financial year in Form number 15cc to the Principal Director General of Income Tax Systems, or the person authorized by the Principal Director General of Income Tax Systems, electronically under digital signature within 15 days from the end of the quarter of the financial year to which such statement relates, in accordance with the procedures, formats and standards specified by the Principal Director General of Income Tax Systems, under Sub-Rule 8. 3. In exercise of the powers delegated by Central Board of Direct Taxes, Board, under Sub-Rule 8 of Rule 37B of the Income Tax Rules 1962, the Principal Director General of Income Tax Systems hereby lays down the procedure for submission of Form 15cc as follows. Generation of ITDREN. The reporting entity is required to get registered with the Income Tax Department by logging into the e-filing website with the login ID used for the purpose of filing the income tax return of the reporting entity. In case if the reporting entity is not registered for filing income tax return, it may get ITDREN by logging in with its TAN. Link to register reporting entity has been provided under My Account. Manage ITDREN. The reporting entity is required to apply for different ITDREN for different reporting entity categories. Once ITDREN is generated, the reporting entity will receive a confirmation email on the registered email ID and SMS at registered mobile number. There will be no option to deactivate ITDREN. Once ITDREN is created. B. Submission of details of authorized person. The reporting financial institution will then be required to submit the details of authorized person, who will file Form 15cc. Once the details of authorized person are entered by the reporting entity, the authorized person will need to confirm through activation link on email by entering the OTP sent on the mobile of the authorized person and generate the password. C. Submission of Form 15cc. Once the authorized person of the reporting entity gets registered successfully, it is required to submit Form 15cc. The authorized person is then required to log into the e-filing website with the ITDREN PAN and password. The prescribed schema for the report under Form 15cc and a utility to prepare XML file can be downloaded from the e-filing website homepage under Forms, other than ITR tab. Authorized person will be required to submit the PAN of the reporting entity, period for which report is to be submitted, and the reporting entity category for which the report is to be submitted. The authorized person will then be provided the option to upload the Form 15cc. The form is required to be submitted using a digital signature certificate of the authorized person. Feedback is important for us. Call us at 0999988245 or mail us at tldcdelhi@gmail.com. Never miss a chance to view new videos. Subscribe our channel. Currently the subscription is free.